Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? It's Pandora here, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope this video finds you healthy and happy. This is going to be about SMS phone leads. I did a video the other day, and I ran out of time actually, so I want to come back and show you guys a new feature that was added called SMS Phone Blaster. Okay, this little program is only $20, guys. You're gonna get one phone number. Okay, and when someone dials this phone number, when you advertise it, it's gonna automatically text them back whatever information you want them to have, whether it's your website or a voice recorded message. Now, if you join me, I have two Fiverr people that will do voiceovers for you, professional recordings, and I have a script that I will pass on to you that you can give to them to read, and that will be your message. So you get a script and two Fiverr people that I can refer you to if you want a female voice or if you want a male voice, doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll hand that over to you, but for $20, and then you're going to make the commission off of that. Every time someone purchases this SMS phone lead system from you, you're going to make $20. Okay, now what I want to show you today is the upgrade that they've added in the back office called the SMS Phone Blaster. And I'm on the page right now. You can upgrade. This is optional. You're going to be able to send out 200 text messages a day. Can you imagine sending 200 text messages about your business to buyer leads? The leads are included. Okay. Only thing you're going to have to purchase is your credits. So 200 leads a day, mobile numbers. You don't have to download anything. Everything is already built in. All you're going to do is type your message and hit the send button, and it goes out to 200 mobile phones. Okay. And you can cancel this at any point in time. So it's $33 a month, as you can see on the screen right here. Now what's going to happen is you're going to also make 50% commission. Okay, so that's a residual income built in this little $20 system. You can't beat that. So as you can see right here, you're going to make $20 on the front end. Okay, 100% commissions. And then if someone upgrades to that $33 a month so they can get the 200 text message feature, you can send 200 text messages a day. If they upgrade and it's $33 a month, you're going to make 50% of that. So that's $16.50 ongoing. Okay, residual. Okay, so I'm going to go down here just to show you a little bit more. And the broadcaster is simple. Like I just mentioned, it's built in. You don't have to upload your leads. You don't have to buy any leads, any of that. Just all you're going to do is type your message and hit the send button. Like it says, here's 3 steps. Okay, and I actually have put together some text messages. I'll be happy to share those with you, and then you just apply it to whatever business that you're promoting. Now, if you don't have a business you're promoting, you can actually just promote this business. You're going to make $20 on the front end, and if someone upgrades to the $33 a month for the SMS phone broadcaster, you're going to make $16.50. Okay, and it's real easy to do. Now, what I'm going to do, and I'm getting ready to place an ad, okay, and I'm going to send them, because I'm in the Vertex lead, I'm using the Vertex lead system for Easy One Up, okay, so what I'm going to do is send them over to this page, okay, I want to send messages over, okay, to this page, and when they opt in, they will get the presentation with a video, the website page, I'm sorry, for the SMS phone leads. Okay, so they can read up on it, and then it's also going to sell Easy One Up for me at the same time. So I'm actually promoting 2 products with 1 text message. Okay, so I'm ready to do that, and then I'm going to show you how it works. Bear with me a second. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm back, and let me show you. Let me turn this volume up. Okay, I'm back. So what we're doing here, as you can see right here, it says I have 982 credits available to send. You have to have at least a minimum of 200 credits to send this out. So this is a message I just kind of put together. Get paid to text, earn $20 to $525 a day, sending pre-written text messages, right? and I say click here. I'm using the Conversion Pros as a shortener, and I put that link in there, guys. Okay, so it's just that simple. You buy your credits. Let me tell you what they are. I wanted you to have that on hand as well. I'll show you how cheap it is to do this. Okay, guys, you can get 800 credits for 12 bucks. Okay, and you can get 3,000 credits for $36. You can get 6,000 credits for 60 bucks. So that's really cheap just to send a message out to your primary business. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see. That's my message. It says, yes, this message is ready to be sent. Okay, so let's hit it. Okay, SMS sending. That's it, guys. Okay, so it's just that simple. You want to get in this program. You want to get this system, SMS Phone Leads. 20 bucks one time. Okay, you get one phone number. And if you want to upgrade to send out those 200 messages, if you want to upgrade, send out 200 messages a day, $33 every month, and you're going to make 50% commission off of everyone that upgrades. Okay, and then you're going to also make the 20 up front. Okay, so this is just another marketing tool to promote whatever your primary business is. Use this system and then send out text messages every day. I mean, it is very reasonable to do that. Okay, so here it is. You get 100 text message credits when you join. Okay, you get one phone number and you get 100 text message credits just for the one number you're getting. But what I'm bringing to you today is just upgrade. Okay, get that phone blaster so that you can send a text message to mobile phone leads. Okay, and that can expand your business. Okay, so if you have a business you want to promote, that's a great way to do it. Just send out some text messages using this system that you paid 20 bucks for. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below for this one. Give me a call if you have any questions. Again, when you join me, I can give you a script that you can use, and I'll give you my phone number and let you test it. I don't want to broadcast it because it uses up my credits. But if you're interested in this, call me up. I'll let you listen to my number I have so you can see how it works. And it's going to text you back on your cell phone number with my website and my information. Okay, and then if you're interested and you join, I'll give you the script that I used and my 2 contacts that I have at Fiverr that did a voiceover for me. Okay, so there you have it, a $20 system with a residual income. All right, so I'm going to put the link below for this one, guys. Give me a call if you have any questions. I'll put my info below as well. Go ahead and like, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, so I'll see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.